Show. Hello, recording. This is Tom's Radio Room Show recording. Yeah, it is. It's Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got this radio from a long-time subscriber. He occasionally sends me a radio or a book or something. And he sent me this about 5 or 6 days ago. And I'm just now getting around to testing it. Has good features and not so good features. And I'm going to try to discuss those right now. This is from this company. I don't know how you pronounce it. There's the model number. It's FM, MP3 player, and recorder. And it will record both through a microphone, as you just heard, or when you're in the FM mode, it'll record the FM station. Now, after my short recording, you heard music. That's the music from the YouTube free library, which I can use. Comes with a standard charging cord. There's the manual. Manual's pretty brief. It almost has enough information. But the one thing I could not find is it does have an ATS function, automatic tuning and storing function. But I can't figure out how to delete an individual memory location. I can't figure it out. Maybe you got one of these radios and you figured it out and can let us know. I could not figure it out. I did, let me get my notes, so stand by. Okay, here's my notes. I'm never prepared, I'm sorry. Here's my notes. Here's some testing I did. It's got a short, maybe 18 inches telescopic antenna. Oh, okay, let me show you. Got that earphone jack, on-off switch, USB port. I think that can be used to charge and like a cell phone, but I didn't see anything in the manual. TF card slot. So I'm guessing this is also for a memory card, a bigger memory card. Volume, charging port, nice cloth carrying strap. No removable battery. Got quite a few buttons. If I get, there we go. It's got a scan button up at the top, and then it's got play and pause. Go to the next track. Mode, either auxiliary input. Again, didn't find anything in the manual about auxiliary input. Maybe you can plug in something here and use it to record auxiliary. Let me just check one more time. I didn't do a good job at looking at that. Looking at the connectors. Nope. Don't know what that's for. I don't know. It doesn't say. Anyway, and then you can direct tune or direct select stored memory location. As I said, you can record either off the FM radio or voice. It's got a microphone input. Lock button there. That's about it. Now, what my results were with my tested the FM. I got 33 signals when I just used the built-in antenna. Unfortunately, a lot of those, when I say a lot, maybe 25%, were either noise or weak stations or a ghost of a good station, a strong station. So not too good. I used a clip-on antenna, wire antenna, just strung up in my office here. And I got a total of 40 signals. Again, 25, maybe 30% this time were either really weak, noisy signals or just noise. Using an external antenna really didn't help. It just is too susceptible to picking up noise or ghost. So that was my test results. The audio, when I used the TF card and I played back music, which I was showing you, let me turn it back up. This is from the free library. Audio is pretty good. But the audio on FM, unless it was a really strong station, was a little garbled. Let me see if I can illustrate that. Let's change modes. Okay, we're on FM. Let's see if I got this should be talk radio.
One of the main targets, according to Israel, was the Iraq nuclear reactor. Now, Israeli military officials say the site was never operational, but they say it could be activated.
Now, that's good reception. That's the USF, University of South Florida station in Tampa. And that's usually what I use for a test, is to tell if the radio's got pretty good reception. And it's receiving that great.
Supreme leader should not continue to exist. President Trump has said he's made no decision on whether
distorted.
the U.S. will join the Israeli military operation.
And it is on frequency. That's the right frequency. So, yeah, I kind of have to say that the FM, and like I say, it's coming in loud and clear, is a little distorted. A little bit of fuzziness on the signals. Now, why display go off? Oh, that's interesting. I didn't notice that before. Display goes off.
Sweeping tariffs and other potential disruptions affect the economy.
There we go. Okay, no big deal. Display is real easy to read.
Fund will likely run out of cash in less than a decade. Here's NPR's Laurel.
This is a long
one. I can only let you listen to talk radio. Can't let you listen to music. But when I listened to music on FM, wasn't that good. Wasn't as good as listening to music on the TF card. So that's kind of a drawback. I think this was, darn, I didn't write it down. Hold on one second.
Rescue 42, I showed you available. I called into the station to check your that, but I showed you available. Rescue 42, thank you.
Well, goodness sakes, I can't. I'm sorry. Stand by. BOESPAT. Okay, there it is. It's $16.95. It's $17. I would not recommend this. For $17, you can get a much better sounding radio. Now, the advantage this one has is the recording off the air and recording through the mic. So that's that might justify the $17 because, and the recording is pretty good, sounds pretty good. Let me go back to that. I tried to. Mode, auxiliary. I don't know what that is. Okay, there's TF card. Let's go back. There it is. This is Tom's Radio Room Show. Hello, recording. This is Tom's Radio Room Show recording. So that the record function works pretty good, and the playback of MP3 files, that sounds pretty good. So as far as an FM radio, no, but as far as those other features, yes. So I'm kind of mixed. Let you decide. Again, this is the model and the maker or the seller and the model number. And oh boy, am I screwed up this morning. I am so behind on getting things done. I just hurry, trying to catch up. So please bear with me. I want to thank everybody that supports my show by using my link to my Amazon store, which is in the description below each of my videos. The only problem is when you purchase something through that, even if it's not a radio, I get a commission, but I have no idea who purchased it. It makes sense that Amazon doesn't want me to get that information. So I can't thank you directly. I can only thank you indirectly. So thank you indirectly for using my Amazon store and purchasing even stuff like birdseed. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.